Look at the way it's been wrapped. Like, what? Hey guys, how's it going? Imagination here. I know I've been away quite some time. Yeah, my hair's a little bit crazy as usual. I'm gonna probably keep saying that in every intro I do. Happy Easter, guys! I have not been doing much last night. It was really funny. I was out with my mates. We did some karaoke, some singing, which is the same thing. Just a good time, so that was really, really fun. And last night my dad also dropped them off and we all got squished in the car. Well, they did, not me. It was so funny. Got Danda here and SpongeBob. They're going to be joining us in the video, and let's see what I've got. So I've been waiting for this for a long time. Bought this about a few days ago and finally arrived. It's a gift pack from Amazon and we're going to unbox it together. I haven't got any scissors, but ooh, let's have a look, guys. Oh, that's so cute. Look what I got. Fishy squishy. I'm gonna open this up, see what we have inside, and hopefully they smell nice. So I'm opening it up now. Got a marshmallow. Oh, it does smell good. Oh, it's so sweet, look. Squishy. Take it out of the packet. Squishy. It's a marshmallow. Actually doesn't really smell of anything, just smells of chemicals. I'll leave that on sponge. So, oh, everything's falling out. So we'll do that. We'll just do one by one. It's a little bear. A little zip Rikuma. Looks like that. It's not focusing. So yeah, put that on sponge here. Got another one. This looks weird. This reminds me of Miffy from Miffy Mouse. Don't know if you guys have seen that. Milk bottle one. I can't find it somewhere. let me find it. Oh, there you are. Alright, found it. Yes, this is the one I got for £4. Smells like marshmallowy. If you're thinking of getting one, it's slow riding. I like this one a lot. I've been squishing it all the time. We'll put that there. Sponge is like, what are you doing? You're putting all these on me. That does smell really chemically. Look, guys, some sort of like round thing. Put that one there, and hopefully if you like it, leave a like and a comment and subscribe if you want more like this. Oh wow, oh look guys, we've got a little panda. Look how cute that is. Should we take it out? It smells like a marshmallow. Ooh, then it's got a little keychain on it. It smells a bit strange. Oh, I don't know. It looks quite fat, don't it? Let's squish it together. It matches Danda. Very, very slow riding, what the hell. And it's very sticky. Yeah, I got some weird string on it. Danda panda. Open, open. Okay, now it's got cool. Like, what is this, guys? If you know what this is, tell me. Some little mushroom and lollipop thing. It doesn't smell of anything. It stinks, actually. It smells really weird. Oh! See, look, guys. So many. Look at the way it's been wrapped. Like, what? So weird. It's like it's not even been put in properly. That doesn't smell of anything either. I don't know, but I can put that on my keys actually. There you go. Look at his face, it looks so weird. Some of them have keychains on, some of them doesn't. And we got a donut. Like a little mini donut. That's some bread. You know guys, I love unboxing stuff on camera. And I love watching it on YouTube as well, like mystery boxes. I think that's a lemon bread. Bread with some ears on it. Like, what on earth is that? Is that a dog? Is that a dog? I thought that was a bell or something. His face. Oh, this is so cute. His eyes are a bit wonky. See? Another little panda there. Some moon cake. I don't even know what a moon cake is. See? Yeah. And lastly, we have a... I like it to be more scented, smell nice differently. You know guys, I feel like getting more of these and more bigger ones. I'm not sure about these tiny ones. What did you guys think of this video? Let me know what you thought, and if you want me to make more like this or these, if you want one of these, comment down below, see what I can do, message me or something. See, they're all tiny and squishy. yeah guys, I think that's enough for the video today. I might do a bit of vlogging with some friends. My cousin's come down from Milton Keynes. He might pop in a few videos hopefully. Comment down below which one was your favourite. Yeah, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe and stay tuned for more. And they all say goodbye.